Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Litecoin. We're going to be examining Litecoin's charts, see what is happening, where we could be going in the immediate short term. If you guys are looking at Litecoin over the last 7 days, it's up a staggering 15.9%, and you guys can see this for yourself in the top 12 coins. You guys can see it is the leading altcoin that is making some massive moves and massive recovery. And this is exactly what I've been talking about on my channel for the past few months about Litecoin, how Litecoin is going to make massive recovery and way faster than a lot of altcoins, because Litecoin halving is coming and a lot of people are eyeing on this. So let's waste no more time and get right into Litecoin update. If we're looking at Litecoin's price right now, guys, you guys can see it is currently trading at $94. It's up 4.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 3.3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $6.8 billion. And look at the 24-hour trading volume, guys. You cannot make this up. It's currently sitting at $1.1 billion. And this time around could be finally the time where we see Litecoin see some new yearly highs. Now, let's waste no more time and get right in today's analysis. But before we do that, you guys know we have to go and look at the Litecoin halving countdown. 69 days, 20 hours to go. And this date is approaching way faster than a lot of people think. So that is something, we are looking forward for. But of course, now let's get right into the analysis, see what is happening, where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you guys can see this for yourself. Litecoin is making a massive move towards the upside, and we are about to retest that level of resistance, which is at that $96 mark. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we are still about only 2.5% away for us to retest and possibly even break out of here. In order for us to see Litecoin hit a new yearly high, we're looking at about a 13% move. And this time around, guys, we could see it, a lot of momentum, a lot of people talking about Litecoin right now, which could cause us to really explode towards the upside. If you picked up some LTC just on May 8th dip, which was around that $75 mark, you are already up 25%. And right now, if we're looking across the board, majority of the altcoins are still recovering from this dip. Over the last 7 days, let's see which coin is outperforming Litecoin. So, let's go from the beginning, from Bitcoin, let's go down. Okay, Litecoin, of course, is a winner right now. Let's keep going. There we go. LDO at the top 31st spot. So all the way down here in order for us to see an altcoin that is outperforming in the big names, of course, and that is a very bullish sign. And now you may be saying, why is Litecoin mooning? Why is Litecoin making these kind of recoveries quite faster than a lot of other altcoins? Because of Litecoin halving. Because of Litecoin halving. And I've said this to you guys before, and a lot of people ignored around that time, but I really do believe this time around we could see something really different, especially a new yearly high. If it breaks into the 78.6, guys, I really do expect more buying pressure will continue to flow in for LTC. So basically what I'm trying to look for is something like this. Actually not this. Let's go here. Let's see if we do have... Sometimes it glitches out. Yeah, it's glitching out right now. So basically something what we want to see is something for the price to go back into this blue zone. This is where the FOMO will begin, in my personal opinion, and then we could really get things rolling for the price of LTC. So really exciting times ahead for Litecoin holders, and I am very optimistic as to what the future holds for Litecoin. So I really like what I'm seeing. Of course, we're about to face this massive level of resistance, and of course when we break out of here, my main target is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. But now if we're looking at the price of Bitcoin has gone back in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. You guys know I've been explaining in my other videos, if you guys watch my other videos, that this is a massive level of resistance for the bulls and the bears, they're having, of course, a massive battle between one another to keep the price of Bitcoin in this zone. Of course, bulls want the price of Bitcoin in this zone, and the bears want the price to go down to 25K mark. And I've told you guys this, there's still a chance for Bitcoin to go down to 25K mark, but I'd be totally okay with that if that were to happen, because it still puts us in an upwards trajectory, and Bitcoin has shown so much strength this year that it deserves some sort of consolidation. So I'd be okay if Bitcoin were to even consolidate to that price point. But Bitcoin dominance, on the other hand, you guys can see is rising. Okay, this is one thing you guys want to keep in mind. BTC dominance right now is rising again, and it's very close to its all-time highs for the year. And this is what I'm trying to tell you guys about. In Litecoin right now, if we go look at it, it's in green. So that is a big plus point. Not only that, in BTC comparative, it's up 3.2%. So I'm really liking what I'm seeing for Litecoin. Hopefully we do break out of that level of resistance and hit a new yearly high. If that were to happen, I really do think that some positive things are about to happen for LTC in the immediate short term. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these updates. You guys have been showing tremendous amount of support on Litecoin updates. Let me know if you guys want to see continuous updates. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.